Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So today I'm going to be trying out the Arrogant Tae Baby Hair method. I've seen a few videos doing this method, so I really wanted to give it a try for myself. The wig we're using today is from Westkisshair. This is their 13x6 lace frontal wig. This is a HD lace wig, and I love this lace, you guys. It is so good. My only concern with this wig was how thick it came. You guys, I had to pluck this wig so much, but I really love the hair. It's such a beautiful body wave texture. Oh my God, the hairline, you guys, I had to work so hard. But first, we're going to flip our wig inside out. And then we're going to go ahead and bleach the knots. I like to use my BW2 bleach and 40 volume developer. And I let this process for like 30 minutes. And I actually went in and bleached the knots twice because it is so dense. Like, I had to bleach it twice for it to completely lift the knots. And I did go in and color this hair jet black when I was done bleaching the knots. And this is how the unit came out, you guys, after my pluck job, after bleaching it, after dyeing it black. This is how beautiful the wig looks. So today I am going to wear the wig in its natural texture because it's just so pretty. Like, the texture of this hair is amazing. And the hairline looked so good, you guys. I plucked this wig for like 3 days, I swear to God. So right here, I'm just hot combing the hair back, and I'm getting ready to prepare it to, install on my head. And I wanted to hot comb it and do this step just to see if I need to pluck it anymore, because this wig came really full. Now, I honestly never had a wig come this full, but I kind of like it, even though it was like extra work. Like, this is like one of the best hairlines I feel like I've had in a very long time. So now I'm going to start to install my wig. I'm using my fake ball cap method. And it's basically, you just slick your edges back and then you apply powder foundation right on top of your hair. Now, this method works best for people that don't like caps. It works well for me. When I take off my wig, all the makeup and everything comes out. I don't have any breakage on my edges or hair loss. It honestly just works perfectly for me. For some reason, like, my head sweats a little bit and I can't have like the cap on, the wig on, the glue on. Like, I have to eliminate something, and I eliminated the ball cap, okay? So I also like to have my wig grip on because your wigs will slide, okay? I don't know if anybody talks about that, but wigs slide. When I wear my wig grip, my wig never slides off my head. It stays in position. And, oh, you guys, just look at that scalp. Like, scalp. This wig is so nice from Westkisshair. I'm loving it. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will have it linked below as always. So before I go in and glue on my wig, I'm going to go in and tint my lace. And I'm using my lace tint from the hair diagram. I'm just going to do one layer and then blow dry it because this is HD lace. I really didn't need to tint it too much. It just melts into my skin. And right here, I'm just going in and cutting the lace kind of like in 3 sections just so everything can melt down properly. I have a little bit of anxiety putting on a 13x6 frontal. I'm starting to like, I think, like 5x5s and 6x6 because a full frontal is a lot harder to do than like a 5x5. But we're going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to use 2 layers of this glue, and I'm using my glue from Kiss. I love this glue, you guys. I don't want to use nothing else. I keep telling y'all that in every video because it's true. I'm posting this video. I've had this wig on now for about 5 days, and my glue hasn't moved, you guys. It's been 5 days. So I did do 2 layers, and it's now dry. I'm just going to go ahead and put down the top layer first, and then I'm going to do each side, okay? And you just want to go in and press your lace down. I'm telling y'all, this glue makes the whole process so easy. I don't know what it is about this glue, but it works amazing. And it helps everything melt together. It doesn't have that super shiny look once it dries down. I just love it. So once I was done pressing my wig into place, I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors, and I'm just cutting the lace off. And these scissors, I did get them from Amazon, you guys. I will link them below. I love these for doing my hair. They're perfect for cutting. They're perfect for cutting lace. They're so sharp and little, and they just get in all those little parts, and it makes everything look very flawless. Now you can use like a razor comb or whatever, but these scissors work real good, y'all. So I'm almost done cutting the lace. I'm just, looking at everything and making sure it looks nice. And this is how it looks once I'm done cutting the lace. And now I'm just going to take out the hair for the baby hair. So according to the videos I seen, Arrogant Tae takes out the hair for his baby hairs at this point. And now you're just going to tie the elastic, and this is just going to help everything melt and help the baby hairs lay in the appropriate direction and helps to melt your lace, okay? Now let the elastic band stay on my head for a good 15 to 20 minutes. When I took it off, y'all, my lace was melted. As you guys can see, it just looked really, really, really good. I love using the elastic band now. It really helps to just melt everything together. So now I'm going to go back in on my hot comb and just press the hair away from my baby hairs, okay? Just to keep everything nice and back. I'm going to use this flat iron I got from Amazon. I will have it linked below, and it works perfectly for Tae's method. The trick to the baby hair is to go in and curl the baby hair. I don't know why I never thought about doing this. Like, Tae is such a genius for thinking of this. So the point of curling your baby hair is so it can help you to sculpt the baby hairs in the direction that you want them to go in easier. Or this method helps you to create baby hairs to sculpt without having to use any product, which I really like as well. I was wondering how Tae would get his edges around the ear so perfect. Is because he curls it. And now you want to take an eyebrow razor and you just want to cut your baby hairs to your desired length, okay? So even after cutting your baby hair, you can go back in with the curling iron and curl them again if you choose to. I don't think I did in this video, but now when I use this method, I do cut it and then go back in with the curling iron one more time. But at this point, after you've cut it, you can just go in and start dry sculpting your baby hairs. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can do it. So this is how it'll look if you just dry sculpt it and you don't use any product. It definitely gives you a really pretty, natural look. And I'm just, playing around with the hair, just trying to figure out exactly how I wanted it. But it looks so cute, without any product on the baby hairs. It definitely gives you, this natural, airy look. And when you do those sideburns, y'all, it just rolls into place. This method is so crazy, y'all. I don't know why I didn't think of it, but it looks so good. Dry. But I like my baby hairs just a little bit more tamed. It looks good like this. It looks really, really natural. But I'm going to go in with a little bit of edge booster. And another tip I've learned was I like using edge control to do my baby hairs now because they just, I don't know, you guys, they just lay a lot better. And it's like they don't move around. I'm just using the comb, and I lightly added edge control. I didn't even use a lot. And I'm just brushing it into place. And because I curled them, they just flow so easily. And I'm going to lay them back down with my elastic while I straighten out the parting in my hair. And I just fixed up my part, and I'm going to take my blow dryer and just press everything into place. Really simple. Really easy. And then I'm going to go in with some water and conditioner and just spray it on the hair. Because like I said, I did want a loose body wave texture going on. I wanted the hair to look natural. So I just wet it and kind of scrunched it up. And I let it air dry, you guys. It was really easy to bring the waves back to life in the hair. I love this hair, you guys. It is so, so nice. I didn't get really any tangles or shedding. It's a beautiful wig. And look how full it is, you guys. This is the back of the hair, and it is just so full. And that jet black color on this wig just makes it look hella luxurious. So this is the end result, you guys. I love this hair so much. This unit is definitely going in my stash. I definitely will be wearing it again. I've had this wig on now for about 5 days. And the only thing I noticed about the hair is It does shed a little bit, but in the very beginning, I didn't get any shedding or any tangles. It does shed a little bit, and I get a few tangles here and there because the hair is, I think this hair is 36 inches, so, you know, you're going to get some tangles. I will have it linked below if you guys are interested. I will have all the curling tools and products I use listed as well. Thanks again for watching another one of my videos, you guys. If you liked it, please don't forget to thumb this up, comment, and subscribe. When you like my videos, it really helps push me through the algorithm. I really appreciate it, you guys. And I will see you on the next video.